Hey everyone! In today's video, I will guide you on how to fix the Your Account Was Compromised issue on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is change your Instagram password. If you are already logged out, tap on Forget Password. On the login screen, enter your email, phone number, or username to receive a link to reset your password. Follow the link sent to your email or phone and create a strong new password. Make sure it's something unique and avoid using the same password from other accounts. Once you've reset your password, log back into your account and you should no longer see the compromised message. Next, enable the two-factor authentication. To add an extra layer of security, enable two-factor authentication. Go to your profile, tap the three lines at the top right corner, then security, and choose two-factor authentication. Select your preferred method and follow the instruction to set it up. This way, even if someone gets hold of your password, they still can't access your account without the second verification step. Next, review recent activity. Head back to Settings, then Security, and tap on Login Activity. Finally, keep Instagram updated. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check for any available updates. Regular updates often include security patches that can help protect your account. After updating, restart the app to ensure all security features are applied. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to secure your account and prevent it from being compromised. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.